Good morning. We recognize our prayer box. And as Mark started off this morning, we do affirmative prayer in unity. So we affirm the truth. So whatever you may have put in here, we hold and know the truth for you. And if you haven't put it in there yet, then this is the moment that in your intention to put what you wish to be held here. Whether that's you and family, whether that's Tulsa, Oklahoma, our nation, the world, whatever it is, hold that. And we're going to know the truth of that as a community, and thus the truth of that for humanity. We're going to take that into meditation. So if you're willing and want to join me with that, if you're willing to close your eyes, take a big breath with me and exhale that. And just let this body relax. Being aware of your body sitting in the seat, your feet on the floor, and that continuing rise and fall of your chest. For in this place, there is only one thing taking place. God, the good, the magnificent. This divine nature is our nature. And in this nature, there is all that we could ever hope and dream for. The strength that we hope for, the love we hope for, the compassion, the kindness, the knowledge, the wisdom, the zeal, the understanding, the health and well-being, the comfort and joy. Whatever it is, whatever the infinite possibilities that we hold and desire, that is held within the heart and mind of the divine. And that is our heart and mind. Thus you are that love and compassion, that wisdom, that knowledge, that strength, that health and wholeness. You are that and more. And more, and more, and more. So as we sit in the silence for just a moment, we allow that to rise within us, that awareness, that clarity, that wisdom that is reminding us and telling us and claiming for us that all that we desire is here now, present. God is alive in this place because God is alive within us, as us. We are that divine expressing uniquely in this world. And as you're ready, I invite you to open your eyes and to see this world and recognize the divine in each and every scene unfolding in your life. And we say, and so it is.